Hey guys, welcome to MathJoy. In this video, our goal is to find the value of this fraction 8 minus 6 times 2 over 4 divided by 2. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. Instead of this fraction, we can write parentheses, the numerator 8 minus 6 times 2 divided by denominator, which is 4 divided by 2. Okay, now we have two parentheses and one division. According to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First, we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. We need to pay attention that the multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. Okay? So first we have to do this parentheses. And inside this parentheses we have one subtraction and one multiplication. Multiplication comes before subtraction in PEMDAS. So now we have to do this multiplication, then this subtraction. 6 times 2 gives us 12. So we have parentheses 8 minus 12 divided by this parentheses. 4 divided by 2 gives us just 2. So we can write divided by just 2. This parentheses equals 2. So 8 minus 12, which equals negative 4. So negative 4 divided by 2. Negative 4 divided by 2 is just negative 2. And this is our final answer to this problem.